Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Tech Helpline. I'm back with another tutorial video on how to redeem your gift card on iPhone. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also, press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. If you'd like to redeem a gift card with your iPhone, then follow the steps. On your iPhone, tap Open your App Store. Now, at the top right-hand corner of the screen, tap on the human icon. From this page, you should see an option that says Redeem Gift Card or Code. Give it a tap and you'll end up in this page. You can use your camera and scan your PIN code by placing this box right where your gift code is. You can also enter your code manually by tapping on the next option right here beneath that says you can also enter your code manually and type in the code available at the back of your gift card. Soon after you type it in, tap on the redeem button at the top right hand corner and you'll be able to redeem your gift card for iPhone. It's quite easy, isn't it? That is how you can easily redeem your gift card on an iPhone. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.